Okay, today we're doing a jig that I call the Witcher. It is a 1/16 ounce black jig head with a sickle hook. And we're using 140 Denier Ultra UTC Black thread. It uses Crazy Angler New Age Chenille. This is called Witch Doctor, hence the name, the Witcher. And for the tail, we're using some Crazy Angler Silver Doctor Blue Hackle. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by tying on a nice thread base. We're going to layer the hook and tie this on down to the point of the hook. Once we get to the point of the hook, we're going to start to lay in the tail. For the tail, we're taking Silver Doctor Blue neck hackles, and these are the hackle tips. I like to take two tips and layer them together so they're basically one on top of the other one, and I'm going to tie these in. I like to have these about the length of the shaft of the hook. So I will tie these in at the hook point, and I'm going to tie on up the shaft of the hook to secure these in nicely right about at that point. And I'm going to give another base of thread just to secure it in nicely. It looks good like that. Okay, the next step I like to put on the V's. It's just to bulk up the tail a little bit, give it a little more action. I don't like to let them encroach too far on the tips. It's good, just like that. And then I put in some tinsel. I can trim it later. I like to lay down one strip on one side, and then I double back this way. Get my second strip. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. Finally, I'm going to put on my chenille. This is the Witch Doctor. I'll put a little bit of pressure on here to keep it tight. I've never actually had one of these come apart on me. I'd simply lose the jig, actually, honestly, before the thing would come apart. We'll give one wrap at the end there. Okay, now I'm going to whip finish the head. So I trimmed the tinsel to size. I finished the threads with some head cement, and that's your finished jig, the Witcher. Thanks for watching.